After thousands of people were hit with a dose of the flu over Christmas and the New Year, the counties with the highest rates of the illness have emerged. Eilish O'Regan reports that County Sligo had the highest rate of flu as we headed into the new year, followed by Offaly, Westmeath, Cavan and Limerick. Counties Waterford, Tipperary, Leitrim, Donegal and Louth had the next highest rates of flu per 100,000 population. Other counties with flu rates above the national average last week included Kerry, Kilkenny, Carlow and Wexford. The figures are based on laboratory-confirmed cases of flu, offering an idea of how many people were affected by the illness during the Christmas and New Year festivities. Counties with below-average rates reported included Clare, Galway, Roscommon, Dublin, Kildare, Monaghan, Mayo, Wicklow, Longford, Meath and Laois. Flu is likely to have peaked in mid-December, with 2,049 cases reported last week and 512 patients hospitalised. That compares to 1,777 cases recorded during Christmas week. Last week saw a fall in flu illness in children, but it rose in older age groups. Hospitals across the country are having to resort to transferring more emergency patients to areas of the hospital normally used for routine care to reduce congestion. HSE figures yesterday showed a rising number of patients on trolleys, with 286 in emergency departments and another 142 on wards, while 673 people were accommodated in other parts of the hospitals. For more on this and other stories, go to the irishindependent.ie.